Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify for optimized ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify for optimized ads, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the TikTok app and click on it. Select the Add App button to install it on your Shopify store. Once the app is added, open the TikTok app from your Shopify dashboard. You'll be asked to log in with your TikTok for Business account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the login page. After logging in, follow the on-screen prompts to set up the TikTok integration. Next, you'll need to create a TikTok pixel. Within the TikTok app, find the TikTok Pixel section. Click on Create Pixel and give your pixel a name. Choose the option for setting up your pixel manually. Copy the pixel code provided by TikTok. Return to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Online Store. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section, and you will see an area to input your TikTok pixel. Paste the pixel code you copied from TikTok into this section. Save your changes in Shopify. Next, you need to verify if the pixel is working correctly. Open TikTok's Event Manager. Use the Test Events tool to send test traffic to your pixel. Make sure to trigger a few relevant events on your Shopify site, such as page views or add to cart. Check back in the Event Manager to see if those events have been recorded. Once confirmed, you can start setting up your TikTok ad campaigns. Remember to customize your ads based on the data collected through your pixel. This will help you target your audience more effectively. With your TikTok pixel now connected, you're ready to optimize your ad performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.